I want to hop on and share with you one of the brand new products that we have in the July Digital Dash box, and I'm so excited about these. They are our new pen pouches. Look how cute that is. These are so easy to make. We have a tutorial up on our YouTube. It's basically just cutting out like 3 pieces, layering them together, laminating them, and cutting them. Like, it literally will take you 3 minutes tops. So easy and so cute. I love it. So you can see here they are double-sided. So you have a cute little front and back, and then you just basically cut that open and you have a little spot to put your pens. And here is what it looks like on vellum. It's super cute. It gives you that kind of like translucent look. It's super pretty. These are done on a cardstock, so you have that more like opaque, pretty blush pink to show through. And like I said, we have a tutorial, and they're super easy and so cute. I think I'm gonna have to make like a ton of these. I just absolutely love it. So pretty. You can still sign up for this kit at digitaldashbox.com, and I hope you guys love it.